Oh, yes, you like the colors? Oh, sweetie. Anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So yesterday I gave my boyfriend's room a surprise makeover for Christmas. He had absolutely no idea that I was going to do that, and wait until you see his reaction at the end. I know that giving someone's room a surprise makeover is a little bit risky, so if you are thinking of doing that, I highly recommend trying or starting with color changing lights. They are so in right now, and it's a great way to transform an entire space with minimal effort. It's renter friendly. You can change the color as often as you change your mood, and the colors and options are literally endless. It looks so futuristic and it can elevate even the most boring spaces. Before we get started, I want to say a huge thank you to SENGLED for providing all of the lighting for this transformation. I also want my subscribers to know that I was not paid to make this video. I don't receive any kind of commission for sales, minus anything that's in like an Amazon affiliate link below. And all of the opinions and stuff are genuinely mine. As always, like, I never promote things that I don't like. Like, I receive PR packages all the time, and if I don't like it, like, I just don't make videos about it. So maybe that'll be a good video idea in the future, like all of the stuff I didn't like. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea for a video. This video is pretty long and it has a lot of information in it, so I included timestamps to everything in the description below, along with all of the links to the products. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are in my boyfriend's room and it is kind of trashed at the moment. Him and his roommates went out. I told them what I was planning on doing, and so they kind of took him out of the house for a while. So we have very limited amount of time to actually get this stuff together, but I want to clean up the room. Like, look, it's freaking trashed. So okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I started unboxing the box. So we have like all the stuff here. Already put the lights in. Oh my God, guys, wait until you see the lights. They are awesome. I had to have his roommate, who's really tall, help me put them in. So I didn't do that on camera because we're really short on time. Okay, so I don't know what to do. I guess I'm just gonna clean up as much as I can really fast and just shove things into like the closets, and then we'll just start setting some stuff up. I guess I'll just time lapse it. Yeah, okay. Okay. I think I should have got him new bedding instead of all these lights. Like, look at, all right, it doesn't look bad like this, but like what is this? What is this, like, what? We'll just hide that with the blanket. We'll be fine. So here is a quick sweep of the new cleaned room. Much better. And I am thinking that we're gonna put lights around this so that you can see it when he is on his stream. Maybe around the TV if we have enough, but definitely around the bed. Look at how cute he is. Yes, hi, sweetheart. What's happening? What are you doing? All right, let's figure out how to use these things. So similar to the Philips light bulbs, when you get SENGLED, you need to get a hub. The reason for this is that if all of your lights work directly off of your Wi-Fi, it can really crowd up the system. So, you know, this is pretty standard with a lot of the other lights out on the market. And honestly, it was not a big deal at all. And all the lights, when you download the app, it just automatically connects. I don't even know how. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sync. The app just knows when the router's on to connect to it, and then it'll automatically find all of your lights, which was like awesome. Hopefully that's the same thing for these lights. Oh my God, we got so many lights here. So we got two different kinds. We have this one. This is the SENGLED Smart LED light strip, and there is one in this pack, and this should be about 6.5 feet. Then we also have a bunch of these little packs, which I believe these are extensions. These extensions are 3 feet, which is like 1 meter. So you connect these and these to, you know, extend and make them longer. So let's start opening them up and we'll just see what happens. Sorry if I'm talking about all of this stuff really quickly, guys. Like I said, my boyfriend is out and I'm trying to do this before they get back, and I think that setting these up properly is gonna take a really long time. So we're rushing through a few steps. So these already have a strip light on them, cable, and then there is a charger. Listen, let's make sure that they work. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God, guys, it's like, this is how bright this is. Okay, so you can tune your whites, change between 16 million colors on the app. You can voice control everything through Alexa, Google Assistant, or your Apple HomeKit. Okay, so on the app, I'm gonna turn it down and it dims it. I'm gonna turn it up. You can change the color temperature. So it could be cooler toned or like warmer tones. And then I can completely just pick a color. So I can choose blue. Look at that. You can do random colors. Oh, it's like a rainbow. It's so fun. Yes. Gotta stop playing with it. Okay. So originally when I got these lights, I was thinking that I was just gonna put them up along the perimeter around the room, because I see like a lot of people doing that, especially like teenagers and stuff. But after looking into it, that's not technically what you're supposed to do with them, even though a lot of people do it anyway. So you're actually never supposed to see this strip. You are supposed to put this behind a cabinet or something, and then this light will shine onto the wall. So you would put it maybe around a bed frame. You would put this around the headboard and have the light shine up against the wall. You would put it around cabinets. The whole idea is to not see this light strip, and so that the light reflects off from the back of said object onto the wall. The third way to use these lights is to purchase a diffuser. You can buy the diffusers and stuff on Amazon. I will link some in the description below. So the purpose of the diffuser is to diffuse the light. So when you put the LED strips into the diffuser, it reduces the harshness of each individual light, and it kind of looks like it's a strip of lights rather than a bunch of little LEDs. And it's a better alternative than just slapping these up around the perimeter of your room. Again, I like the way that it looks up around the perimeter of the room. A lot of people are doing this, and it is not a bad thing to do. I'm just trying to do it the proper way. I don't know. There is no proper way. Do whatever you want. This is just how I'm doing it in his room. So yeah, all right, let's get started before they get back. Yay! So the first thing I'm gonna do is this like console table. So it also comes with these little clips. So you just peel the sticker off the back and it will like hold and clip the LEDs in place. So I started by finding the exact middle of the light strip and put the middle in first. So that way I know exactly how much end I have to like wrap around the side. I started with the middle. So then when I come and I bring this up to the side, I have this much that wraps around. Whereas if I would have started here and taken it over, I either would have had to cut off that end, or I would have had a lot of slack on the other side and none over here. So I recommend starting in the middle, unless you want to measure everything out, but that's a pain. So I have my little clip here. I'm gonna take the stuff off the pad, and then I'm going to make sure that the clip part is facing up so that it doesn't fall out. If you wanted to, you can peel off this sticky stuff. I'm not gonna do that because this isn't his furniture. And if he ever moves, we wanna take the light strips off of here. Or like, you know, if you ever get a new dresser or something, you don't want this sticking onto there. So I'm gonna use the clips instead of actually sticking this directly to the furniture. And it sticks nice. Yes, that looks so good. Oh my God. All right, cool. Let's push back. Let's turn the lights off. Oh, guys, look at how good it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my God, yes. Yes. So, all right, we're gonna do the bed now. Same exact idea as the dresser. We're gonna start in the middle, wrap it, and see where we're at. But first, all right, before we do that, I need to know how many extensions I'm gonna need to like kind of do the rest of the headboard. So we're gonna put the extensions on first and then start the middle from there. I have my light strip here, and I don't know how I'm gonna pull this bed away from the wall. It is literally a California king bed, and it is huge. Oh! Cool. They also give you little alcohol pads so that you can like wipe down so that it has a better stick.
A few moments later.
Look at how cool it is. Oh my god, oh, it's amazing. All right, I have to push the bed back now, but oh my god. Let's see it with the lights off. Oh, how cool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Here's the whole room. Ready? Oh, Dado. Look at how cool the whole room, the entire room is just completely transformed. Oh, you match whatever color it is. Oh, yes, you like the colors. Oh, sweetie. Anyway, okay, so one thing I wanted to show you, I was putting this up and my camera died, of course. So I did one more LED strip and I put it around this mirror. I think this makes it look real different and futuristic. And I know that that mirror always shows up in when he is doing his streaming. So it's always in the background. So I thought that that would be a really cool touch. He's coming home, so let me just shoot. I don't know where to set up the camera. Okay.
Whoa! That looks so
Do you
good.
like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? No, seriously, do you really
I love
like it?
That's crazy.
Are you mad that I did this without you knowing though?
How long did this take you?
To keep you out as long as possible.
You
So
did it behind the bed and everything?
yeah, change the colors to them.
They look amazing. Wow, this looks awesome, guys.
It's gonna be so good for like your Twitch streams
I
and all
know,
that stuff.
yeah.
By the way, guys,
Streams,
if
I love it.
you're on Twitch, go follow him. And he's also on TikTok and he's on all of the social media
Dude,
stuff.
this
And he's on
is-
Spotify. Yeah, it's
so bright. It probably doesn't even
futuristic.
look that bright in the camera.
No.
But in person, it is like crazy.
One other thing that I wanted to mention and completely forgot. So I actually did have Philips Hue bulb lights come in, and the saturation and the color is absolutely nowhere near these. These are freaking amazing. I cannot believe how good these are. These they just look
Yeah, they look amazing.
so good, so good. So to do this entire room, it took 3 6-foot LED strips and 2 extensions. So the cabinet took 1 6-foot strip, the bed took 1 6-foot strip plus 2 extensions, and the mirror took 1 6-foot strip. Oh, and it took 4 of the light bulbs at the top. And I highly recommend, if you're gonna get the LED strips, to also get the light bulbs. It just makes the whole room a vibe. So I'm actually left with a bunch of LED strips left over, so I'm actually gonna do a different video, and I'm gonna do my room, which is a completely different setup, and it's very girly and light and white, and I think that it's gonna be really cool. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video when I post it. I'm so excited. After seeing this room, I am so excited to do my room, and I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.